When I don't feel like cooking but still want something creamy, hearty, and delicious, I go for this easy smothered Cajun chicken recipe. It is so delicious. Get your rice ready because this one is about to be ready in no time. All right, guys, we're going to start by drizzling some olive oil to the chicken. I am using bone-in chicken thigh, already nice and clean and pat dry. And now we're going to season. I'm going to mix my seasoning together. I'm using my Cajun Crush seasoning. If you have used my Cajun Crush, let me know how you like it down below. Also, my everything seasoning with some dry parsley and some ground black pepper and paprika. Sprinkle that seasoning all over your chicken. This is going to be smothered, so all that juicy sauce is going to be on every single bite. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to pan sear my chicken thighs. Now I'm using chicken thighs because they are very juicy when they're done cooking. You can't go wrong with bone-in chicken thighs. They always come out super juicy. All right, guys, it is time to flip the chicken over. And as you can see, we have a beautiful golden brown color. Absolutely beautiful. The searing will help the seasoning to stick on the chicken. That way every bite can be, ooh. Why is it popping? Look at that. Doesn't that look just beautiful? It is time to take the chicken out, y'all. It looks so good. Take a good look, and the chicken is juicy, y'all. So juicy. Yes, yes, yes. Just gonna set it aside, both sides looking real good. In the same skillet, I'm going in with like a tablespoon of butter. Let me add my onion first, actually. All this is flavor right there. Okay, all this in here is flavor. I'm just gonna saute my onion and bell peppers in here. If you're feeling a little fancy, you can add some mushroom. Make this really tasty, you know. I'm just gonna saute it. And this is not, your typical smothered chicken. This is extremely, extremely delicious Cajun smothered chicken. I'm going in with some sun-dried tomatoes. Yes, you heard me. It's gonna add so much flavor in here. And now it's the perfect time to add my garlic because I didn't want it to burn. I like to add it kind of when the onion is halfway there. Ooh, smells so good already, wow. And now we're going in with about 2 tablespoons of flour. Make sure you fry that flour, maybe 3. Make it nice and creamy and thick. Once you fry the flour really good, go ahead and add you some chicken broth, about a cup. Make sure you stir it. And also going in with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Yes, sir. It's gonna come out so delicious. This is extremely flavorful. I might go with a little bit more chicken broth. So about 1.5 cups of chicken broth. And of course we gotta season this, but before you do, make sure you taste it so you don't overdo it, obviously, because the chicken has flavor already. I'm going in with the same seasoning, my Cajun Crush seasoning and my everything seasoning with a little bit of salt because I told you guys it's low in sodium, so a tad bit of salt. Now we can reintroduce the chicken back in here. Oof, 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 oof. That looks really good. Just like this. Yes, yes. I hope your rice is ready, your mashed potatoes ready, your grits is ready. It'll go great with any of these that I just mentioned. Now I'm going to pour that remaining sauce from the chicken You guys, this looks amazing. Put your heat on low and you're going to cover this, allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. All right, guys, our chicken is ready. OMG, look at that gravy, y'all. It is looking so good. Let's sprinkle some parsley, okay? To garnish with some fresh parsley. We got gravy for days, honey. I love this. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely, absolutely mouth-watering. Look at that. Amazing. Let's just turn that off so we can plate this. And just like that, dinner is served, you guys. Let's give this a try. Looks so good. Listen, that gravy, do me a favor, grab you a jar, just bottle it up, save it, because it's too good. And only the Cajun Crush seasoning, the Island Vibe Cajun Crush, which will link below, in my everything seasoning. That's all I use, with a little bit of Italian seasoning, salt, ground black pepper. Let me tell you, amazing, okay? Try it out, let me know what you think. And also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful, if you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.